Hi everyone, welcome back to Mastering Power Apps Beginners course. Today we are going to cover Module 3 in this series. Module 3 is all about creating your first app in Power Apps, in which we are going to cover designing the layout and user interface of a Canvas app, connecting to data sources and using data in a Canvas app, adding and configuring controls, integrating Power Apps with SharePoint modern list, and testing and debugging a Canvas app. And we'll wrap up this module by demonstrating about how we can share the developed app with our co-workers. So let's start it. If you are interested in streamlining your business processes and getting more done in less time, then subscribing to my channel is a no-brainer. You will get access to exclusive content, tips and tricks, and so much more. Plus, you will be able to join me on this journey of learning and growth. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. You can create app either from home screen or by navigating to create page. So when you create any app using existing data source, that could be Dataverse or the SharePoint or SQL, by default you get three screens when you create: browse screen, detail screen, and the edit screen. Let me demonstrate it. To create app, either you can navigate to apps, where you will get an option for new app. By clicking on this, you can create Canvas or model driven app. In this series, we are going to focus on the Canvas app. For model driven app, I will record a separate series. Second option to create an app is by navigating to this create tab. Click on it and you will get different options to create an app. Either you may start with the blank app, you will get a single screen in this that you can design as per your business need, or if your data is already exist in Dataverse, then you can go with this option. If you have a SharePoint list, data is already there, then you can start with the SharePoint. So let's start with SharePoint, because SharePoint is a free data source in terms of Power Apps or Power Platform. It will ask for the connection. Select your connection. Then it will ask for the SharePoint site. If you know the URL, you can paste URL directly here, or if not, it will list out all the recent sites which you have used, so you can select from here as well. So let's select it. We are going to create an issue tracker. I have a list in my backend SharePoint, so I will use the same list. As you can see here, we have three screens: browse screen, detail screen, edit screen. Browse screen is all about uh, to render out the data in the list. So these are the items in my list, as you can see here. This is a detail form where you can see details of a particular item by clicking on any specific item like this. And if you would like to edit this item, then you can click on the edit icon here and you can make the changes, whatever changes you would like to, and click on this. So item has been updated successfully. By this you can navigate back to the home screen. You will also get a search bar where you can search items based on the title. Suppose I'm going to search com. So this is the item with the matching search criteria. This is how you can create an app with existing data. Data could be anywhere in Dataverse or SharePoint or SQL. You can select the data source and create an app. So we have our interactive app ready for the sharing. To share this app, first save the changes. Our app is saved. Now click here on the share button. If you enjoy the video and want to stay up to date related to Power Apps, Power Automate, SharePoint, and RPA, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support really helps me out. See you in the next video.